express my profound reservations regarding the lack of policy directions embedded within this budget. In particular, there are glaring omissions of countermeasures to tackle inflation and escalating cost of living. Which impacts the daily lives of ordinary Fijians. There are no measures, Mr. Speaker said, to offset the rising cost of living that the budget chooses to ignore. This includes, Mr. Speaker said, lack of specific tax and duty reductions to cushion this impact beyond the lame excuse that prices will continue to rise because of rising cost of production. That is not an answer, Mr. Speaker said, to the problems faced by ordinary Fijians who want real action to make their lives easier. That is a classroom answer, Mr. Speaker said, that does not warrant any space in the national dialogue when it comes to the economies and finance matters and ways and means of making the lives of those who are struggling to put food on the table better. Surely, Mr. Speaker said, our people deserve better. Mr. Speaker said, we must acknowledge that the increase in debt, increase in expenditure, and slow economic growth are alarming indicators of our current path. As a country, we need to ask ourselves, where are we heading? What are the solutions? Recently, the Honorable Prime Minister has proposed a government of national unity or a bipartisan approach. But what is the common ground, Mr. Speaker, sir? For the past 2 years, we have witnessed drama after drama instead of action. The people of Fiji are suffering because the country is not progressing. No matter how much funds are allocated or spread to the ministries, or how good policies are introduced, none of this will work without political stability. We need to resolve and work towards that, Mr. Speaker said. Mr. Speaker said, I am told the funds have been approved by the lending agencies, but the investors are hesitant to invest because they don't feel secure and the lack of confidence in the government. This is after my talks with the business people, Mr. Speaker. So we do meet these people. They say banks have approved their loan, but they are not prepared to start their construction. So we need to see what is the solution for